So Stephen flew onto the window, Cliffy flew onto Stephen, and then kicked him off the window.
Die.
Oh my Chrysler.
What are you doing? What is it? What is it? What is it? Come here. Sit. There you go, son. Boy.
Hey bitch.
I've not seen Stephen for 2 days, but now he's back for a snackle. I think he just like doesn't really need as much food as he did back when he was raising Cliffy and when he was having the babies. He needed like loads of food every single day. I've not seen him for 2 days. We were actually away for a couple of days up at a cabin trip for Coda's birthday. First ever birthday.
Most asleep he's ever been. Coda, it's time for your cake.
Coda, wake
You want a birthday cake? You want a birthday cake? Do you ready? Song too?
Happy birthday to you.
Other one! Yay! You gonna blow it out?
Oh, good boy. Good boy. Birthday time.
Oh, Coda.
He's gone crazy on his birthday.
It was really nice, but now we're back and Stephen is needing fed, so I'm gonna get him some worms and tuna. How does that sound, son?
Divine.
Because Stephen's still like only coming by every couple of days, I feel weird just like throwing him into a new skill. So if any of you guys have any ideas for stuff you want me to do, videos like this, stuff we can do in these to make them a little bit more interesting, or more stuff that we can do with Stephen that doesn't require like a big thing, let me know what you guys would want to see on days like this where it's just like a mealtime sort of video. I think I can hear Cliffy screaming at the window. No, why?
Bitch.
I thought you went away. I don't like Cliffy. He's so annoying. He's so loud. Let's go feed the boy. Oh, Cliffy. Cliffy just kicked Stephen off of his little stump. Stephen. Look at the wee guy.
You okay, buddy?
Life was just so much easier before the kiddos.
It breaks my heart, Stephen. Go, son.
For me,
All yours, buddy.
titillating. Sweet and crunchy.
Seeing you enjoy yourself makes me so happy.
It's curing my misery.
You've had such a rough month.
And I couldn't get through it without you, buddy. I think I can hear Cliffy coming. Hide the wormies.
God, Cliffy. On you go, Cliffy. Time for some tuna.
Looks tasty.
Cliffy. Oi, stop that.
Bitch.
Oi. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Cliffy scared Stephen away.
He's a little bitch.
You're right.
Don't listen to him, Stephen. Jump on the window.
We.
We.
Get the heck off.
Die.
Oh my Chrysler.
Right. So Stephen flew onto the window, Cliffy flew onto Stephen, and then kicked him off the window. This is like such a war zone. Oh my god. Right, I'll get Stephen up on this window.
Thanks, baby.
Right, I might have figured it out. Stephen on this window, Cliffy on this window. It's just gonna make it twice as scary and twice as difficult to deal with two different birds on two different windows. The second one of them stops eating, I feel like he's just gonna fly in and attack me. I don't really know. I've never dealt with this before. Two birds, two different windows. I'm really scared.
You should be. Cliffy is a psycho. Gimme.
Excuse me.
Shut up.
Nice one, buddy.
A tiny little bit. Right, that's it, that's it. Stephen? Good boy. Have a sit.
I'm so happy.
Glad to hear, buddy. Wash your pinkers.
Put on the spooky glove.
Spooky.
Bitch.
Hi, Stephen.
Thank God he is gone.
Oh no.
Surprise. Mine.
See ya, buddy.
I'm not sure if this has fixed anything or just created a new problem, but that seemed to kind of work for a little bit. They were kind of happy and they were able to eat together without fighting each other. Until Cliffy decided he was gonna whack Stephen off the window for the second time in one day.
No regrets.
Stephen's now just up on the roof, really mad at what just happened.
I'm plotting my revenge.
Also now just realised that it's gonna mean that I now have 2 really dirty, stinky windows. Should probably start cleaning them.